There you go.
Are you recording it?
I am. Can't really see it though.
Nice.
Dave, sing your song.
No, Tev has to sing hers.
I can't remember it now.
Go for it.
The old testy song?
Midget porn?
Oh, testes! Midget porn. That's what I do on my Friday nights.
Naked?
Pour me!
Naked?
Pour me! Pour me! A shot of whiskey!
Naked?
Naked.
I wanna watch a midget porn.
Obviously Jason does.
Jason would.
He already did.
Jason's wood.
Jason's wood? Naked?
That's sick. We're right by my grandma and grandpa's house.
Really?
Yeah. Well, actually, not really. Just
Watching Jason's wood?
watching Jason's naked porn. Wait, junk? Wait, what?
Hey, Jason's married, be careful.
Hey, don't talk to me. Talk to my grandma.
I'd rather not.
Your grandma's watching porn.
Midget porn.
Midget porn. Are you serious? Starring Jenna.
Oh.
Yeah, Jenna James.
Jameson? I didn't know she came in midget form.
No, my sister's friend is a dwarf.
Yeah.
She is, and she's pregnant. It's really cute, though.
It's really cute.